Have you ever opened your bank app late at night and just stared at the number, wondering how it still looks the same? You work hard, you stretch every dollar, and yet nothing feels lighter. It's confusing because you're doing what you were told to do, and somehow, the progress you expected just never shows up. You plan every expense, you budget with good intentions, and you cut back again and again. You skip little treats and say no more than you want to. Still, money feels like it leaks out quietly, without warning, and that constant tension follows you everywhere. The hardest part is not even knowing what's wrong. You just feel behind, tired, and distracted all the time. It's like money slips through your fingers when you're not looking, and that can make even strong moms doubt themselves. Hi, I'm Betty, and this is the Budget Betty channel, Smarter Money for Mom Life. Today, I'll show you the quiet error that drains mom budgets even when you're doing everything right. Stay with me, subscribe now, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to fix and what to stop blaming yourself for. This isn't about big money mistakes. It's about the tiny ones that sneak in when you're exhausted. When your brain is juggling kids, noise, schedules, and non-stop notifications, it never fully rests. And tired minds don't make clear money decisions. That's where the quiet drain begins. Most money decisions don't happen at a desk. They happen in between life, between school pickup and dinner, between dishes and late-night scrolling. And when money is managed in fragments, clarity disappears. Every distraction adds friction you can't see. Small charges get missed, patterns go unnoticed, and important choices get delayed. Mental clutter makes even simple money decisions feel heavy. And over time, that broken focus costs more than any single purchase ever could. Here's the shift that changes everything. You don't actually need a stricter budget or more rules. What you need first is a calmer mind around money. Because when your mind is overloaded, even the best budget can't work. For years, we've been told to just try harder, track more, cut more, push more. But clarity creates progress, not pressure. When you understand what's really happening, money finally starts to make sense. It's easy to think small choices don't matter, but small choices, repeated calmly, change everything. This isn't about doing more. It's about doing less with intention. And when money stops feeling emotional, you finally feel in control again. That's the real breakthrough. Let's make this practical, because you don't need a perfect system to feel better about money. You just need one calm moment a week, 10 quiet minutes where nothing else competes for your attention. No multitasking, no catching up, just you and your numbers. This is where control slowly starts to come back. Next, stop trying to track everything because that's where burnout begins. Pick just one number to watch for now, like weekly spending or what's left after bills. One number builds awareness without overwhelm. Simple focus creates real momentum. Before you buy something, give yourself one night to pause because most stress spending disappears by morning. Quiet the noise by unsubscribing from alerts, emails, and money pressure that wasn't made for your life. Build a system simple enough to work on your most tired days. And as you learn, speak to yourself kindly, because calm progress beats perfect plans every time. Picture this for a moment. You open your bank app, and your chest doesn't tighten anymore. You already know where your money stands. There's no guessing, no fear, just clarity. For the first time, checking money feels calm. Now you make choices without rushing. You pause, you think, and you decide with confidence. There's no guilt behind spending and no shame behind saving. Your decisions finally feel like they belong to you. Money doesn't control your mood anymore. You control the pace, the choices, and the direction. Everything feels quieter now, steadier, lighter. And that peace right there, that's what real success feels like. You weren't failing. You were never bad with money. You were just trying to manage your finances without mental space. Too much noise, too much pressure. Now you know the truth. Clarity changes everything. And peace is possible. If this helped you, like the video. It tells the algorithm moms need calm money guidance too. Subscribe for clarity-based growth here, and share this with a mom friend who's doing her best but still feels stuck. Tell me in the comments, what part of money feels the most overwhelming right now? This is Budget Betty, smarter money for mom life. You don't need more pressure, you need peace. And it starts right here.